do not like this. Okay, I can speak normally. But oh my god, I am not a fan of this at all. I do not know what's out here. Oh, my flight and fight instincts are kicking in right now, guys. Where's the moon? Oh, it's right behind those clouds. Lovely. Oh my god, I don't like this. Every instinct right now is telling me this is a bad idea. Why are you making me do this, Louis? Oh my god, I don't like this. And I don't know what's going to be behind me. I don't want to do this. Oh my god, the bugs are active today. Oh my god, this dog. This is going to be, this is day 2, by the way. What the hell is that noise? Oh hell no, I don't like that. Please just pee or piss shit. I don't care what you do. I don't want to be out here. Oh fuck that. That's howling. Either that's howling from coyotes or a dog. I'm hoping it's a dog. Okay, Chief. Okay, it's just you, me, the dog, the bugs that are doing their noises. Oh, there's a bug right there. Look at that. Oh. How's your 2 o'clock in the morning shit there, buddy? I need a better light. This, I'm using my phone light. I'm using this little shit right here. Look at this. I mean, it's effective, but still. I just put it in my ear, actually. What is that noise? I know if I post this, people are gonna laugh at me. Ah, look at Chief, what a pussy. He's scared of the dark. You don't understand. You don't know what's out here, especially where I live. I just moved here. This is day 2. I don't know my surroundings. I don't know this neighborhood, alright? I am fresh meat to whatever is out here. If there is anything out here, which I'm hoping there isn't. It's almost 3 o'clock in the morning. The devil's hour, people. He's still, what the hell? He's still doing his crap pose. Are you constipated, Louis? Oh my god, please. Maybe you need to let it out quicker. Like I have eyes, like I am moving everywhere. Just to make sure there's nothing behind me and nothing in front of me. Oh, there, good. He's peeing. Great. That's probably a frog. You done? Can we go? Can we go back? I stay right here longer. It's raining back. Okay. Okay, buddy. Come on. Hey. Come on. Raining back inside. Wow. Hope you're happy. I'm not. I'm not happy at all. Alright, that's good. And then we just look at that. Total blackness. Nothing out there. Hey, come here. There we go. Fuck the dark. Never again am I taking you out there in the middle of the night. Oh yeah, go ahead, drink your water like nothing happened. I almost had a heart attack because of you. You. I should probably give him a tree. Where's this tree set? It's nowhere to here. Okay. Unless in the pantry. I think it's in the pantry. Doesn't look like it. No. Okay. Well, I'm going back to bed. I had to put it out of my boots just because of this nonsense. You know what? We'll leave our boots here. We'll leave them right here, actually. Because I got work tomorrow anyways. I gotta go out there and work on some stuff. But in the meantime, bed. Take care, y'all.